Well, students, now we will proceed for further exercise of inverse trigonometric functions. Exercise 2.1. Before going to exercise 2.1, we have to discuss some inverse trigonometric identities, or we can say that inverse trigonometric functions properties. These are the properties which will be used to solve the inverse trigonometric functions. So we'll just have a discussion, and every properties are given in the book. Some of the properties I have written here, but before going to this, I am going to discuss how these properties are involving what we have understood in the previous classes. Now we'll recall that I have discussed that if a function is bijective or a function is on one and on two, that will be the invertible function. So we have discussed the sine function is invertible and one and two, and that is bijective and invertible in their respective domain and range, and those domain and range we have discussed. Now if a function is on and onto, then it is invertible, and I have written in previous videos that if function is invertible, it means composition of function and its inverse will be identity function. I have written that if f and g are two functions, if f and g are two functions, f and g are two functions such that f and g are bijective and invertible, and g is inverse of f. G is inverse of f. Then by definition, f of g x is equal to x, and g of fx is equal to x. This composition of f and g of f are identity function. This is identity function. It indicates f of g and g of f are identity function. Now here, what we are going to do here to relate with these identities are relating with the trigonometric inverse functions. Replace this replace f is equal to sine, and in place of g write sine inverse. Replace f by sine and g by sine inverse. Then what we get? F sine of sine inverse x. Sine of o, replace this o by bracket. Sine of sine inverse x is equal to x, and sine inverse for this g, sine inverse of sine x is equal to x. We get this property. Sine inverse x is equal to x, and sine inverse sine x is equal to x with the help of this composition. And we have discussed that sine function is on and onto in this domain, minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 to this sine function, and sine inverse function is invertible minus 1 to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So these are the domain. Value of x indicating that these are the domain for sine inverse function, and this is domain for sine function. So this way these identities, these properties are related to composition, and similarly other properties are also derived. After deriving these properties, this will be applicable for all the trigonometric functions, same, only their domain are changed. These properties, sine inverse x is equal to x, same will be carried in the inverse x, tan inverse x, cot inverse x, sec inverse x, and cosec inverse x is equal to x. This way, these properties are derived from composition of inverse function and function. Please note down this. Thereafter, other properties are given in the book. You have to memorize those properties. Some of the properties are very important, which are coming every now and then in exercise. One of the property I will discuss in that also. Domain is very important. You have to memorize domain also, because if you don't apply domain, you are going to make mistake. One of the identity I will be telling. Only one. Other identities, other properties you have to note down. One of the property, tan inverse function. Here tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equal to tan inverse x plus y 1 minus xy. Here this is the value when x is greater than 0. This is the condition. X is greater than 0, y is greater than 0, and xy is less than 1. Product of xy is less than 1. In this condition only this is applicable. If this is not the condition, other condition is tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equal to pi plus tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy. When this will be? When x is greater than 0, y is greater than 0, and xy is greater than 1. If this is the condition, then this relation will be applicable, not this. So we have to remember this also. Otherwise, if you are applying directly tan inverse identity, then you are going to make mistake. Same way, other domain are very important. You must remember domain also with the properties. Please note down this.